James, thank you very much indeed for joining us. So rights advocates say that apart from the 5,000 people that the police admit have died during the drugs on war, rights advocates say it could be as many as 27,000 people, among them local town mayors, lawyers, judges. Some children have been killed. The government calls all of them collateral damage. The thing is, how could the ICC prove that the president of the Philippines ordered these killings?
Well, the president has been very open about it. There's a history that goes back to Davao when he was mayor there, where similar actions happened. And since he's become president, he's been very vocal and very transparent about his war on drugs and what that costs, and the fact that what he calls collateral damage is the price that one has to pay. So that's not a big surprise. He probably also won't take so much heed of what happens in the international court, but nonetheless, it's very significant. It's significant both in terms of the Philippines itself, as well as in terms of what it means internationally.
Just a few hours ago, the president's spokesman, Harry Roque, said that the Philippines doesn't recognize the jurisdiction of the ICC. It was March the 17th, 2019, that Duterte pulled the country out of the International Criminal Court. So where's the jurisdiction for that court now in terms of any investigation?
Indeed, the Philippines has withdrawn from the International Criminal Court. That in itself will not stop the proceedings. Those will go ahead whether or not President Duterte recognizes it. But I think the thing to point out here is that we've seen over the last several years, certainly with the Trump administration in Washington, as well as leaders across the globe, from Russia to India to Turkey to Myanmar to China, who have increasingly felt emboldened in terms of violating human rights. And I think the fact that the International Criminal Court is going to investigate sends a very powerful message.
James, thank you so much indeed. James Dorsey there speaking to us from Singapore.